Warning, the following stunt is performed by a trained professional idiot. I'm used to the circuits. Do not try this on your own. I cannot beg you enough. Hi everyone, I'm Kyle. This is a 900 peak amp car jumper and I'm about to electrocute my nipples with it. I think this is the hardest part of the challenge. Yeah. God, that hurts. Ah, that hurts. Holy nipple blood. Fuck. Oh. Remember again, never attempt this under any circumstances whatsoever. I still gotta do the positive, negative, whichever one I can't think. Alright. Now it's turned on. Oh, God. Is the end? Very strange things began to occur, and I had to edit those parts out. This is my fucking very last fucking shot of life. I fucking can't handle this fucking shit anymore. I fucking die. I swear I'm fucking gonna die. This is cricket. Yes. Guys, I took a fire. I fucking took it. It's just. I don't know why. And this car battery, I am not insane. More than probable. I was gonna do my ears next, and that's just not gonna happen right now because I would definitely fucking die. Remember, this is all performed by a professional fucking idiot, insane motherfucker, and just never try this shit at home. Oh my god. Thank you for watching, and just to ensure you, this is 100% real and one of the dumbest stunts that I've ever performed. I don't think I'll ever be the same fully. I feel violated internally and externally, and on so many moral grounds, it was wrong. Please forgive me and never attempt.
I mean, the only person this is a game to is you, man. This is real. I mean, this is serious shit, and I am scared, okay?
Subscribe before I die.